You got it, baby. Hit that ball. Remember, if you hit it, just run. Good night, buddy. All right, baby, you got it. Nice swing. Good job. Nice. That was the wind. It was the wind.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm just gonna watch it.
There you go. Run, run, run. Foul ball. Nice, buddy. There you go.
All day and I'm still in. I can hit fouls all day.
No, don't hit fouls all day. You hit it right out into the outfield, buddy. Uh-oh. You're a ball magnet today. You all right? You okay?
He's ready to hit it now.
He's going to look beautiful. All right, buddy. Yes. You all right? There you go. Run, buddy. Run, run, run. Oh, foul ball. Okay. You got it. You got it. Just straighten it up a little bit. Just straighten it up a little bit, babe. Good job, Gage. Now let me see your face.